Dr. Annadale. I teach philosophy at Mount St. Mary's University in Emmitsburg, Maryland. Let's take a closer look at the meaning of object in epistemology. I will begin with two facts. The first fact is that every idea is subjective. This means that every idea is an accident of a knowing mind. There can be no ideas outside of minds. So, contrary to what Plato thought, if something is an idea, then it must exist subjectively in a mind. The second fact is that human knowing is intentional. It always has an object. It is knowing of something. The very notion of a purified knowing without any object whatever is absurd. The same holds true for consciousness. In fact, all consciousness is consciousness of something. It has a vector quality. By its very nature, it reaches out toward an object of some kind, and this is one of the foundational insights of phenomenology. The same holds true for an idea. Every idea, although subjective, is directed toward an object. Thus, an idea's object has a double life. It is the object that exists objectively as a being outside of the mind, and the object that exists subjectively as an element of the subjective idea in the mind. So, for example, I have an idea of the planet Saturn. This idea as an idea is subjective. It is an accidental quality of my mind. But what is the object of this Saturn idea that I have in my mind? First, it is the actual planet Saturn, an objective being, a gas giant that is millions of miles away. Second, it is the intentional object, the Saturn in my mind, which is an inseparable part of my subjective Saturn idea. Now, the first, objective Saturn, exists independently of my knowing it. It will continue to exist for millions of years after I'm dead. But the second, subjective Saturn, exists only as part of my subjective idea. In my knowing Saturn, this intentional object is united to me, and this is an important part of the interplay of subject and object in human knowing. So we should be careful with our language from this point on and avoid confusing the external, objective object of an idea with the intentional or subjective object. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.